Hello guys, back with another video for Lashinda Byers. I hope I'm saying your name right. She had a request for me to do argon and great value, mix it and put it in the microwave with a plastic bowl and a big spoon. So this is what I'm finna do. Let's see what happens, because this is something that she wanted me to do. So
can I help?
let me put some in here.
Can I help?
Yeah. Wait a minute. Let's get that up myself
Let me scoot it back a little bit.
so they can see what I'm doing. I don't know if they can see, so we can show them.
Let me put the camera down more.
Yeah. Right there. Y'all, I hate wasting my cornstarch and being messy with it. Linda, you want to pour some in there? No, you can pour some in there like that instead of me opening it up the other way. Okay. So guys,
now we just smooth it out.
Yeah, we're gonna put some more in there, just a little bit more right there. Yeah, we're gonna mix it because she wants to see. So we're gonna put it in the microwave. Like I said, these other two argon and both.
There we go.
Okay, so let's see. We got it in here. Don't that look good, y'all? That looks so good. Can you see me put it in the microwave?
Yes.
You got it on?
Mm-hmm.
So you see the microwave. Okay. Oh Lord, I done got it all over the microwave, y'all. I done waste some, which I don't like doing. So I really don't. I don't like doing that.
Thumbnail.
I hate when I do that, guys. I hate it. So microwave is on right now with it. So let's see what comes out of it.
How long did you put it on?
I can put it on a minute.
Sorry, guys. Hold on, guys. Oh, make sure y'all subscribe to our page. A whole lot. Just keep on subscribing to our page, guys, and giving us big fat thumbs ups.
Yes, guys, yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Logan, before you open the door.
Oh, it's beeping.
It's beeping.
It
You
said
can open the door now. You can open it. I turned the alarm off. Alright, guys. Let me see if I can open the door.
Hey, Elijah.
Ooh, it is hot. It is hot, guys. Ooh,
Ow.
wait a minute. Did that burn you?
Yes.
I'm sorry. It is hot.
Hi, Elijah.
It is so hot.
Oh, I can smell it. Now I can smell the corn.
Smell it?
Yes, the cornstarch.
Y'all like? Let's see. I know where the bowl is hot. Let me
Put it under there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this tower. Let's see how it looks, y'all, guys.
Oh, listen to it.
Listen to it.
Oh!
Look, it's like a paper. Guys, look, it look rubble. It look plastic. Wait a minute. Let me show you. Ouch! I'm trying to pick up a piece so I can show you how it looks.
See?
Yeah, look how it's turning out to be.
A paper.
Like paper. Look. Oh, gracious.
It'd probably melt if you just put it in your mouth.
Look, here go a bigger piece right here. Yeah, she wanted me to do this. Ouch, it's burning my finger. Can you see it?
Well, this one is not.
Wait, let me
Try it, Mom. Here it
hold
is.
up so you can see. Look at it, guys. It look like a piece of paper. The cornstarch. So, Ooh, it's hot. Ouch. This bowl is hot. But I never seen it like this before.
It's just regular like paper.
Paper. I
Looks
cooked
like
it and
that.
it just looked like paper. I
Paper.
mean, it still got some. Wait a minute, let me put it down so they can see it.
It still got paper. I mean,
It
like
look like
powder.
paper, but it's still powder. But like I said, it's got some little chunks in there. But if you look at it good, wait a minute, London. You see how it's hanging off and it's
A paper.
like paper. Look, guys.
Dang, that's a big piece.
So I never seen that before. So
She asked us to do this, and we did not know it was gonna turn out like
yeah,
this.
so it's a lot of it like that, which I can't wait to
Look at the
taste it.
smoke.
But
My mama gonna be tearing it up.
yeah,
She gonna
it's
like-
smoking right now because it's hot. But it got some lumps in it, chunks. So
Try it, mommy. Let's see
Okay.
them try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Hope they can see you correctly.
Yeah, they'll be able to see me. So,
Oh, it burns.
woo, I'm trying to wait till it cool off. It's so hot. Yeah. Listen to it.
Get the paper part, mommy, and the powder.
So they can hear. You can hear the paper thing. Sound like the paper. You can hear it, but anyway, I'm gonna give it a try in 1 second. I'm trying to cool it down.
There's
Should've.
the other paper.
I know there's paper there, so put all this other stuff up. So when I get ready to try the bowl, it's hot. So I think it's gonna be good, y'all. I do. So I'm just trying to pull this other stuff out the way so I can have this. Okay, guys, let me give it a try. Here go my big spoon that she wanted me to have. So, Chris, so I'm definitely gonna try. Ooh, it's still smoking.
Ready, set.
Yeah. I
Five.
want this to burn my tongue.
Wait, 5, 4,
It's hot.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, put some more in your mouth.
It's crunchy. On parts that look like paper. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's see if there's some more paper for you, Mom.
Mm.
Oh, I found another piece. Here it is, Mommy. Paper.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's good. Okay. Got the paper. I got a piece of paper.
I like how that paper look.
Mm.
I heard you say
Mm-hmm.
you got like a little smooth crunch to it. Just like
Mm-hmm.
just like a chip. Just like a raisin. Raisin ball.
Mm.
Mommy,
Hmm?
don't you know I'm from Hawaii?
Mm-hmm.
You're from Africa.
Hmm?
And don't you know our address is 7777?
That's good.
Mm-hmm. And I need the canceller for you.
Huh?
Need a canceller for you. Because you're eating entirely too much cornstarch.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Look, I turned my phone on. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Ha ha ha. I'm calling it cancer. 9, 6, 5, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8, 9. And calling. Hello? Damn, I'm not eating too much of cornstarch. Yep. Our address is 7798. I come from Hawaii. Shh, my mom comes from Africa.
Oh, right.
And her hair's from Africa. And my hair is from Hawaii. And what clothes we're wearing, she's getting all this stuff over the computer and stuff. Well, the camera. And she's over here stuffing her face. Yep. And she's showing the camera her bowl. You don't remember our address? 77798. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry. She got like African hair. She got cornstarch hair too. And
Argo.
goodbye. Cancel coming. Hold on just a second. I'm laughing.